Hello everyone, I'm Rahul and welcome back to my channel Rahul Education Academy. And the topic of this video is about drawback of Rutherford atomic model. In the previous video, we discussed about the gold foil experiment that was conducted by Rutherford and his colleagues. And we observed that why that experiment led to the conclusion that the pulp plum pudding model proposed by J.J. Thomson is wrong, and based on the result of the alpha scattering experiment, Rutherford also proposed his own version of atomic model, that atom is mostly empty and atom consists of a region of a positively charged nucleus. While this atomic model was highly improved or more accurate in comparison to the model proposed by Thomson, this model was also not totally accurate. It also had some drawbacks. And in today's video, we will be discussing about that drawback, which in the end proved that the atomic model proposed by Rutherford cannot be totally accurate. So in Rutherford model, he proposed that you have an atom, and at the center of that atom you have a positively charged nucleus roughly. This is positively charged. This is positively charged. And on the outside of the atom you have electrons revolving around it. You have electrons revolving around the positively charged nucleus. So here you have, this is positively charged and this is negatively charged electrons. And this electron is circulating in a particular orbit around the nucleus. Now, this arrangement that was proposed by Rutherford is similar to the solar system where sun is at the center and planets are revolving around the sun in a particular orbit. But unlike the sun and the planets, the electrons and the nucleus are charged particles. So even if this electron is revolving around this nucleus at a constant speed, it is changing directions as it revolves. It is revolving here, but as soon as it goes around and comes here, even though it will have a constant speed, it is changing velocity. It is changing velocity because it is changing direction. The direction of a moving of electron is different here and it is different here. And when a charged particle is changing velocity, it has acceleration. And based on the Maxwell's law, if a charged particle is rotating, it will have acceleration, and hence it will emit electromagnetic radiation. It will emit, as it rotating, it will emit electromagnetic radiation. So it is losing energy. And as this electron is losing energy, it will spiral down because this is losing energy and it is losing energy constantly as it is revolving around the nucleus. And at the end, the electron should collapse onto the nucleus because at that one time it will have so less energy that it will fall down and will collide with the nucleus. But this was not happening because if this would have been happening, that means from some scientists they said if that is happening, that means atoms should have been destroyed. So this model of Rutherford, while more accurate than the model proposed by Rutherford, sorry, this model proposed by Rutherford, while more accurate than the model proposed by Thomson, could not explain why electrons revolve in a particular orbit and why they are revolving regularly without any collision or without losing that much of energy to collide with the nucleus at the end, collects. And because of this, there was a need of another atomic model to come up for the explanation for the phenomena happening and which cannot be explained by the Rutherford atomic model. So in the next video, we will be discussing about a new atomic model. If you have any doubt or any question regarding the atomic model or any other concept, please write down in the comment section and I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. I also request if you have any suggestions for improving my video or the content in my video, so please share your opinion in the comment section so as it will help me in improving my future videos. If you regularly watch my videos, I'll also request you to like, comment and subscribe. So friends, I'll be again in front of you with the next video on another atomic model. Since then, take care. Thank you.